I'm going to show you basic and advanced techniques for making songs with Suno. Suno lets you start making songs for free, but you will need to create an account or log in with your social media. You can use the app on your phone or the website. I'm working on the website today, but this content will work for both. I will show you several songs that I've generated with Suno, as well as demonstrate creating them for you today. These songs include a kid's song, an instrumental song with Enya style, some OC I sang called Hopium, an Aztec history assignment, an instrumental song using structured lyrics, turning something from my food pantry into a heavy metal song, and a song I made from a tweet called Fake It Till You Make It. Okay, to begin, let's do a simple kid song. Here in Suno, we'll click Create, and we can, for the lyrics, we can click Prompt and say a song about a big red dog. And styles, I'll just write a kid song, and we will click Create. I just want to show you guys how simple and easy it is to get started.
He lumbers up the porch with mud on every paw, tail like a fire truck bumping through the hall. I drop my ball too fast, he grins and steals the prize. One big red shadow with a patch over one eye.
So I just wanted to show you guys that the song is it's still being generated, so we don't know how long the song will be, but we can already listen to it. And in here, we see the lyrics that it generated with the style a kid song. So as you'll see, there's really only two things that I did here. I put a lyrics prompt into Suno and a style prompt into Suno. Let's do another example where we will select instrumental on Suno, and then for the style prompt, I asked ChatGPT for a style prompt that'll sound like Enya. So when creating music on Suno, the way that I use is to ask another AI model for a Suno prompt. The other AI model will give you a lyrics prompt and a style prompt. And you need to paste both of these into Suno for one song. You can also sing to it. It's easier on the app. You can just sing right into your phone. So this is me singing a original lyrics. I'm talking about AI Hopium. Hopium. I'm high on that hopium. You know that I'm high on that hopium. I used Gemini to help me write the lyrics. And then Gemini helped me write the style prompt. And then this was the result.
I've got that hopium. Look at the screen, running out of time, trying to find a reason or a rhythm or a rhyme. I've got that hopium. You know that I'm high. You know that I'm high. Oh, you know that I'm high. Hopium. I'm high on that hopium. You know that I'm
So here, this text is from a middle schooler's history worksheet, and it's copied in here word for word.
When the Spaniard Herman Cortez arrived in 1519, the Aztec leader, Montezuma, was convinced that Cortez was a god.
As the Spanish brought horses, armor and guns, which the Aztecs had never seen before.
So one way to make instrumental songs only is to just click instrumental. However, there is also an advanced way to make instrumental songs using lyrics. And it's using what we would call structured lyrics. So for example, small concern, curiosity, growing tension, increasing momentum. If you have any projects where you need a soundtrack or score or something, you could prompt Suno for instrumental music. And as long as you're subscribed to their pro plan, which I have right now, then you get commercial rights for all the songs that you use when you're subscribed. Let's do a funny one. I'm gonna go grab something from my pantry and we'll look at the ingredients label and then make a metal song. Okay, I've got this Simple Truth organic marinara pasta sauce. I'll take a picture and I'm going to say, using this ingredient label, make a song for Suno. The spoken words in the song should be the ingredient label verbatim. You may add whatever structure you like. The style of the song should be heavy metal. Now it's done, and I'm going to open it on my computer so it's easier to get. We have the ingredient label for the lyrics. So those are the lyrics. They even included this part. They included a lot.
The percent daily value tells you how much a nutrient in a serving of food contributes to a daily diet. 2,000 calories a day is used for general nutrition advice. Ingredients: organic tomato puree, organic diced tomatoes, inorganic tomato juice, certified organic by quality assurance, international, certified organic by quality assurance, international.
This reminds me of a YouTube channel from a long time ago called Vegan Black Metal Chef. Next, I'll show you guys a song I made from a tweet.
Become arrogant, make others gossip about you. Break social rules, be unapologetic about your actions. Act from your highest will, remain hopeful no matter what. Walk like you own the place, move like a winner. Rest because you deserve it. Get things because you want them. Reality responds to those who live as if they already have the things they've always wanted. Hard work is a lie. Let reality bend to your will.
And the reason why I structured the lyrics like this is because I told the AI I wanted the whole song to be less than a minute long. See, all of these songs are called fake gossip. That's from me just copying in this tweet.
Fake it till you make it. Become arrogant, make others gossip. Break social rules, be unapologetic. Act from your highest will and remain hopeful. Walk like you own the place. Move like a winner. Rest because you deserve it. Get things because you want them. For what you do, act from your heart.
So this one, they actually took more creative liberties and they altered the lyrics so it doesn't follow the tweet exactly anymore. Which that might be something to consider. Maybe you're willing to go for that. Maybe you do like want to talk about pasta in general instead of just the ingredients of the pasta sauce, whatever. Maybe you want to get lost in the sauce. So there's a lot of possibilities when it comes to this sort of stuff. Thank you for watching. I'm curious what you think about AI music. Drop a comment and let me know. Also, are there any other AI tools that you would like to see a tutorial for that I could make a video for? Let me know. Well, have a great day and see you next time.